To begin, open the Windows search bar and type Recovery. Select the Recovery panel from the search results. Within the Recovery settings, locate and click on the option labeled Configure System Restore. This will open a new window. Here you will find a section for your drives. Select the drive for which you wish to delete restore points. Next, click on the Configure button. You will then see an option to delete all restore points for this drive. Click on Delete, and then confirm by clicking Continue. All existing restore points for that drive will now be removed. It is a good practice to create a new restore point after deleting the old ones, to ensure you have a point of recovery available. To do this, click on the Create button. You can name this new restore point anything you like. After naming it, click on Create. The reason for recreating restore points is to have a fallback option in case your computer encounters issues later on. Once the creation process is complete, click on Apply, and then OK to save your settings. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.